Hi friends, welcome to Python for Beginners Part 3. In this I'm gonna explain what are lists and dictionaries. So what are lists? If you're familiar with C or C++, you should know what are arrays. So arrays are similar to lists. So it stores different data items under a common name. For example, it can store an integer, float, strings under a common name. For example, take this num as the list. So this is this syntax for list. Okay, so num equals 2 square brackets to implement the list, and dot append function is used to insert your value to this list. So let's see in the Python shell. So open up your Python shell and type num equals 2 square brackets and press enter, and then use dot append function, that is num dot append, and type the value. For example 15, press enter. I'm gonna add another value, so type num dot append. This time I'm gonna enter the float, which is 11.5 or anything, and I'm also going to add the string value, dot append, and enter the string, for example Nathan, which is my name, and press enter. Oh, I entered spend. So num dot append and your string. So when we print the value, when we print the variable, that is the list, print num, you will see that the integer, which is 15, the float, which is 11.5, and the string, which is Nathan, is printed. So these are called as the list. So let's take a look in dictionaries. So what are dictionaries? So dictionaries are similar to list, but here we can able to filter the content or data. It should be initialized within the two curly brackets, and enter the key, which is FTP, within single quotes and a colon, and then type the value, and the dictionaries are separated by commas. Hope you not understand, but let's take a look in the Python shell. So type services equals two curly brackets, and within single quotes type the type the key and a colon, and type the value for it. Separated by commas, type another key, which is SSH. You can take anything, and colon, and then type the value, which is 22, and comma, and I'm gonna type another key, which is HTTP, and it goes to the value ID, and then press enter. Now see here, the FTP, SSH, and the HTTP are the keys, and the 21, 22, 80 are the values. To display all, just print the services. To display only the keys, use dot keys function. To display only the values, use dot values function, right? So open up the shell and just print services. You will print all of those, but to filter, type services dot keys, and to parenthesis, you will see that the keys only gets printed. To print only the values, type services dot values, and to parenthesis, and press enter. Services dot values, not value, right? Press enter. Now you can see that 21, 80, 22 are printed out. Okay, so that's it guys. Hope you understand what are lists and dictionaries. Feel free to comment your doubts in the comment section below this video. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe, share for more videos. Bye.